What's going on, Comic Clan? High Road Comics here, and today is Funko Friday. But bad news. I don't have any Funkos to show you.
Whosoever watches this channel, if he or she be worthy, shall acquire the knowledge from High Road Comics.
Yeah, the Funkos I ordered, they didn't get here on time. Thought I was gonna do an unboxing, but you know what? I think I'm gonna start doing something different. So on Tuesdays or Wednesdays, I do my top picks, right? So now I want to do my road goals or my next stop on where I want to go, my pit stops. Still working on the little things, High Road Comics. Kind of new. This is what we're gonna do. Okay, so we are going to look at upcoming Marvel's Avengers Endgame Funko products, actually just the Funkos. I'm gonna scroll down there. Shout out to Ashley Schwellenbach. She wrote this article. It's on Funko's official website, so I figured, hey, let's just go down and look. So me, I have a ton of Funkos. One day I'm gonna sort them all out, put them nicely in my little hobby room, and we're gonna go ahead and I'll show you what I got. But what I've been doing is going with these store exclusives only. I don't collect commons because I don't have space. Maybe one day when I retire and I have a mansion, I could start getting all the pops. But the reason I wanted to do this is because these Quantum Suit Funko Pops, I've been wanting to grab those. I want the whole set of those. I'm sure there's going to be like 10 different waves of Avengers Endgame Funkos. Probably too many, but the ones that I'm going to get are the suits. So I might end up going with all the commons. And unless there are store variant ones, which we're going to go ahead and look down. But yeah, so Hulk, Captain America, Thor, Black Widow. I like her red hair on that. Looks awesome. Ant-Man, Tony Stark. So, of course, they're not going to make an Iron Man in a quantum suit. That'd be dumb. But I wonder if his quantum suit is an Iron Man suit. Guess we'll have to find out. And there's Thanos. So it's kind of weird, like every time I see a regular sized Thanos pop, it's like, why? That should at the very least be a 6-inch. 10-inch Thanos works. I actually didn't get the Thanos on chair from Infinity War, so I'm trying to get that one still. We got Hawkeye, so apparently he's Hawkeye and Ronin. I guess we'll have to see. But let's see, he wasn't in a quantum suit, so I think there's a store exclusive. I'll scroll down. I should have looked at it first. There's Captain Marvel. She's so badass, she doesn't need a quantum suit. And Nebula. She has a quantum suit. So is she a good guy now? Is she an Avenger? Guess so. We got War Machine. And it looks like he does have a quantum suit. But in the trailer, you can see Don Cheadle in the quantum suit. So that's just like weird. I don't know. Funko's gonna make like 20 different variants. So on to the store exclusives. Check it out. Right here we got Hulk, Pop Hulk at GameStop. So I've been collecting Funko Pops for about 5 years now. My advice to you is you go over to GameStop and you pre-order it just in case. Sometimes they'll have a crap ton of them, but it's probably better if you just pre-order it. So it looks like this might just be his new suit. I like that purple. I was actually talking about this with somebody at work. Yeah, I mean, we're not going to get a speculation as to what's going to happen in the movie. We're going to find out. And please, do not put any spoilers in the comment section below, especially if you saw that 5-minute leak, which I didn't. Anytime I see Avengers on my phone, I just close it out. Alright, so hot topic. I'm surprised they only have one exclusive. We got Captain America. Usually, like I said, I go with the store exclusives, but it looks like some of the other Captain America pops that I have, so I might not end up getting this. In this case, for me, the commons so far are better for me as far as collecting. Box Lunch, they have an exclusive, the Iron Man. Does anybody know what suit Mark variant that is? So Box Lunch, unfortunately I don't have any around me, but today, if you didn't know, they have that the Earth Day Eve that came out, and I'm hoping I get that because I have the Earth Day Wally from last year, and they use recycled paper. Whoops. Walgreens exclusive, I'm gonna go ahead and probably order this on eBay because I never get Walgreens exclusives. There's Hawkeye in the Quantum Realm suit, so this one I'm definitely gonna get. I'm gonna get this over the common Hawkeye. I don't buy doubles, or I try not to for the most part, but yeah, this Hawkeye Quantum suit is pretty badass. War Machine as an Amazon exclusive. Do I still have it out? No, I think I put it up, but I did that unboxing. Hang on. I'm back. Maybe I'll edit that out. Probably not. But I did that unboxing not too long ago, and I already got my War Machine Amazon exclusive, so I am one for like 10. I don't know. There's a lot. This one, my buddy actually hit me up on Facebook and he was like, hey, did you get the Barnes & Noble 2-pack exclusive? No, I didn't. He got lucky because his daughter works at Barnes & Noble's and she got this 2-pack exclusive. So I'm going to try to grab this if I can't find it. I think they might still have it online. Let's go ahead and check it out. There it is, a 10-inch Thanos pop. I try not to grab these 10 inches anymore because they take up too much space, and right now they're actually sitting in closets because I have a lot of family that visits all the time and they don't like hundreds of dolls looking at them. So yeah, I guess maybe I will pass on this, especially if I'm going to get Thanos in that 2-pack. But if I do see it in stores, I might go ahead and grab it and maybe just sell some of my other oversized ones. And I actually do want to look at the shirts. So as you see, I like these Funko shirts. They do run big, but yeah, that Thanos one looks cool. That Hulk one looks cool. And they come with these like pocket pops. So yeah. Out of all of them, I definitely like this Thor the best. It's pretty badass. Captain America, Iron Man, yeah, definitely not Thor. And then I'm starting to like the gray-haired Bruce Banner. I know Mark Ruffalo really is gray-haired because he's old, but I'm really digging it. This shirt actually looks pretty cool too. I got a lot of like black and blue shirts, but not that blue, so I'm definitely gonna get that God of Thunder shirt if I see it. Where is it at? It's not an exclusive. Looks like, oh yeah, it is at Target, so probably we'll never see that ever. Yeah, this one looks pretty cool, the GameStop one, but I like the other one better. And this Captain America shirt, I have lots of the Captain America shirts, so yeah. Entertainment Earth, I missed out. I probably should have ordered all these pops from there when they came out. So they're pretty much the commons, but they got this exclusive Entertainment Earth sticker. So I might actually check out to see if they still have them available there, and probably just grab all of them. Set? No. But they do have some of these, and they're only $10.99. So let's see. There it is. Nope. Those are mystery minis. I don't know, man. We'll see. I got some shopping to do. Online shopping. I do like the Entertainment Earth sticker. Or I might just wait till a con and pick them up. They usually have some pretty good deals there. I'm probably going to get the Entertainment Earth ones because they got these card 3-packs, and maybe I can do box breaks on them, or, you know, pack breaks, card breaks, man. So yeah, so that's it. I was actually gonna do a whole list of what Funko Pops are coming out in the month of May, and I might still do that since we still have another week left. But with Endgame coming out, I wanted to put this video out first. YouTube, please let me know in the comment section below, what do you think? Do you like these Funko Fridays? Would you rather them just be unboxings, or should I go ahead and keep doing this? Because this is kind of fun, just shooting the shit with everyone, even though it's kind of one way. But maybe if I get another screen, I could start doing these live and we could do it together. Haven't decided yet. And also, I do have highroadcomics.com. I'm thinking about doing a blog and making my own articles. So yeah, because, you know, I don't want to take credit for other people's work. So Ashley Schwellenbach, thank you for writing this article on Funko, and everyone check them out. Let me know in the comment section below if you're gonna get these Funkos. That's all I've got. This is High Road Comics. Driving off.